Hi everyone, it's Phil here and welcome to my 15-minute fat burning HIIT workout that you can do without any equipment at all. Now this is my low impact beginner version of this HIIT workout. So if you find this workout too easy for you, then progress to the intermediate and then advanced version of the workout for a greater challenge. Okay, so before we begin this workout, I'll give you a quick breakdown of the workout so you know exactly what you'll be doing. And then I'll give you a few tips on how to maximize this workout so you get the most out of it. So first and foremost, let's break down the workout so you know exactly what you'll be doing. Now in today's workout, we will be doing 3 rounds of Tabata intervals. So this simply means that for round 1, we'll be doing 20 seconds of work with a 10-second rest break, and we'll do 8 sets total, which is 4 minutes worth of work. You will then have a 1-minute rest break before moving on to round 2. Now in round 2 again, you'll do another Tabata interval, which is 20 seconds of work, 10 seconds rest for 8 sets total. And once you've completed that, you'll have another 1-minute rest break before moving on to round 3, where again we'll do another Tabata interval, 20 seconds on, 10 off, 8 sets, and then you have a 1-minute rest break after. Now this will give you a 15-minute fat burning HIIT workout that will burn off an enormous amount of calories. Now there are a few things that you can do to maximize this workout. They are: 1, give everything that you have got. Now Tabata intervals are absolutely amazing for fat burning and cardiovascular fitness. However, to get the most out of them, you must give your maximum effort to every exercise and interval that you do. Now they're only short and sharp 20-second work periods, so make the most of them and give it absolute all to every exercise. The second thing you must do is to pay attention. Now during your 10-second rest breaks, I'll show you the next exercise to come. So make sure you pay attention so you can start the exercise straight away once your 10-second rest break is complete. The third thing you must do is exercise at your level. Now just like all of my other follow-along cardio workouts, I have beginner, intermediate and advanced workouts, so you can choose a workout that is suitable to your current fitness levels. And it will also allow you to progress from a beginner to advanced workouts as your fitness levels improve. So choose a level that is most suitable to your current fitness levels. The fourth thing you should do is that if you can't do an exercise, simply change that exercise for another cardio exercise that you can do. And 5, try your best. It is all you can ever do. Now with all this being said, let's get into the workout right now. Alright, get ready. 3, 2, 1, 3-step to knee touch. So walking and touch. If you find that too easy or you want to step it up a little bit, we can always go a little bit faster and gently jump side to side. Otherwise, keep walking and touch. 3, 2, 1 and stop. Alright, get ready. 3, 2, 1, shuffle ups. Ten seconds to go. 3, 2, 1 and stop. Alright, get ready. 3, 2, 1, 3-step clap. Ten seconds to go. 3, 2, 1 and stop. Alright, get ready. 3, 2, 1. Walking high knees. So just get the legs up and arms working at the same time. So nice and high. Increase the speed if you can. 3, 2, 1, and stop. All right, get ready. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Ten seconds to go. 3, 2, 1, and stop. All right, get ready. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Ten seconds to go. 3, 2, 1, and stop. All right, get ready. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Ten seconds to go. 3, 2, 1, and stop. All right, get ready. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Ten seconds to go. 3, 2, 1, and stop. "30 seconds until we start again. "20 seconds to go. 10 seconds. All right, get ready. 3, 2, 1. Low impact jumping jacks. "10 seconds to go. 3, 2, 1, and stop. All right, get ready. 3, 2, 1. So aerobic step, box step, legs together, step out, tap, and go with the other leg. So keep changing legs each time. If you find you're a little bit all over the place, as long as you're moving, that's fine. You can even sprint on the spot. Otherwise, we step out and go. 3, 2, 1, and stop. All right, get ready. 3, 2, 1. Side steps. Nice and softly side to side. Little bounce if you can, but otherwise, just step out and touch. 3, 2, 1, and stop. All right, get ready. 3, 2, 1. Standing crossovers. So opposite arm and leg, bringing them in together. 10 seconds to go. 3, 2, 1, and stop. All right, get ready. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Ten seconds to go. 3, 2, 1, and stop. All right, get ready. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Ten seconds to go. 3, 2, 1, and stop. All right, get ready. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Ten seconds to go. 3, 2, 1, and stop. All right, get ready. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Ten seconds to go. 3, 2, 1, and stop. "30 seconds until we start again. "20 seconds to go. 10 seconds. All right, get ready. 3, 2, 1. I need chops. Starting with the arms up in the air. Bring it down to your knee. 5 on one side, 5 on the other side. Fast as you can. 10 seconds to go. 3, 2, 1, and stop. All right, get ready. 3, 2, 1. Step and punches. Step, step, punch, punch. Step, step, punch up. Step, step, punch, punch. Step, step, up, up. So breathe out each time. Three, 2, 1, and stop. All right, get ready. 3, 2, 1. 3-point skaters. Ten seconds to go. 3, 2, 1, and stop. All right, get ready. 3, 2, 1. So punches. Nice full range of motion, as fast as you can. Slide bend in the knees. So here. Hard and fast. Three, 2, 1, and stop. All right, get ready. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Ten seconds to go. 3, 2, 1, and stop. All right, get ready. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Ten seconds to go. 3, 2, 1, and stop. All right, get ready. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Ten seconds to go. 3, 2, 1, and stop. All right, get ready. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Ten seconds to go. 3, 2, 1, and stop. Well done, everyone. Now that is a short and sharp 15-minute fat burning workout that you can do anywhere, anytime. Now if that is enough for you, make sure that you cool down and stretch. However, if you have more time on your hands and you want to burn off even more calories, then I recommend that you do one of my other interval training sessions where you have longer interval training work periods. Therefore, I put a link in the description which will take you straight to these workouts. So make sure you go and check them out right now. If you like this video and you want more, you know what to do. Hit that notification bell, subscribe, and like, and you're gonna get a whole lot more. However, if you want to take away all of the guesswork and have everything mapped out for you, come to philhartshorn.com where you'll find my exercise programs, including at-home programs or gym programs, meal plans, including 4-week healthy eating meal plans, recipe books with over 380 healthy eating recipes, and a whole lot more. You'll have everything you need to achieve your health and fitness goals. So thank you for watching and see you next time.